If you remember from the last episode, I was talking about there being a nasty sound coming from the transmission and it having low oil pressure. So what I'm going to do is pull the motor out one more time and check the flywheel and open up the oil pan again and check the main bearings on the crankshaft and hopefully get it back together before it snows. Okay, let's get that motor out. Nice. Now that I got the motor off, the flywheel seems to be pretty well on there yet, but I'm going to take it apart anyway just to see, and we'll get this thing on the engine stand and flip it over and get it to the oil pan. Okay, that's done. Good news, bad news is the clutch and flywheel seem to be alright, so that probably means that this Craigslist transmission might be junk. But anyway, we're gonna flip this motor over and take a look at the crankshaft and main bearings. Okay guys, I got it flipped over and I got one bearing off. The crankshaft doesn't look too bad. It's not perfect, but the bearing itself has definitely got a lot of wear on it. So I'll change those out. And then, like, the other thing I noticed is that the bolts are super gunky. So I'm guessing that all the oil passageways are full of sludge too. So I'm going to try and figure out a way to clean those out. Okay guys, we got the whole crankshaft pulled out and it wasn't looking too bad until we found this guy. She is burnt. This one too, also pretty awful. So besides that, there's some of the other bearings that were in it that are just totally shot, which on this one, look at how much that's worn. A lot of the piston rods are burnt up on the inside too, so those are probably junk. We're going to go ahead and tear the rest of the block down and think about what we're going to do. Buy another 350 or rebuild this one, or maybe do a V10 swap or something crazy. Yeah, so we got to get this bolt out of here. I think there's one down in there. Can you see it? Let's dig in there and find out. Oh man.
Oh, it's grimy. Oh man, it's...
That's the inside of the engine? Oh, man.
Ooh.
Change your oil, folks.
Why? It protects things. Wow.
That's so bad. Oh, shit.
Oh.
For fuck's sakes.
Sorry, just stick a socket on it, it'll fling the rest out.
Yeah, I can jam the rest in there.
Oh,
Perfect.
man. Ooh. That's not good looking either. it could have definitely contributed to the overheating issue.
Looks mint.
Look at how gummed up all these galleries are.
Right?
Like that's...
Like that. The pistons don't really look too bad, though.
No.
Ooh. There's some bore wear.
Oh, yeah.
Like you feel like riding this one. There's definitely a ridge.
Oh, man, yeah. This side doesn't look as good as the other side. Not bad, necessarily, but not as good.
Yeah. There's black water in there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I took the camshaft out now.
Well, they weren't going to fly out.
Yeah, they were staying in, that's for sure.
Got it. I'm sure it's fine. Oh man, there's a chunk of wood stuck in there.
That did it. Breaking my cam cherry. Those are the lobes. Not good. Bearings look alright though. Or I mean, you know, it's where
Yeah.
the bearings ride.
Everything else is... It's not as bad as everything else
You
was.
can definitely tell like the pushers were worn out because it's only rubbing right on the edge,
Right.
you know. And then here it's hitting the whole thing, but there it's not.
At
even
its
touching
lowest
it.
point, right.
Yeah, it's just hitting it there.
Yeah, that one's cracked for sure.
All right, guys. Now that it's down to the bare block, basically all hopes of getting this thing running before it snows have gone out the window, and I am just going to look for another 350 block already put together, probably with better heads, and I can bolt all my accessories onto it and bolt it back in the truck and be good to go for next season, hopefully. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, share, leave some feedback in the comments sections. Have a good day. Peace.